Hi, this is Ashley with Ashley Pettit Living, and today we are making an Adzuki bean dip. Adzuki beans have tons of protein and make a really great whole snack. So I'm going to take our Adzuki beans, it's about 1 cup, throw them into our lovely blender. And this dip is so easy just because you're just putting everything into a blender and blending. Zucchini, so you're going to take half of a small zucchini, put that in there. One of my favorite mushrooms, the shiitake mushroom, that have a plethora of health benefits. You're going to put 3 caps in there, nice and chopped. A little bit of parsley, which has some detoxification benefits. And then some scallions. We did 2 scallions there, nice and roughly chopped. 1 small clove of garlic, and you don't need to finely chop anything because you're putting it in the blender, you just need to put it in some small pieces. Some fresh ginger, which if you rub it on your fingers actually takes away the smell from chopping the scallions, which is a great little trick. And then I have in here tahini, olive oil, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, and rice vinegar, which is delineated in our recipe, and you're going to put that on top of everything. Make sure it all gets into the blender. Pop the lid on tight, and then you're going to blend for your Adzuki bean dip. And this is our final product of our Adzuki bean dip. Looks pretty good if you ask me. I serve it with some fresh veggies or some chips, and you want to make sure you blend it so that it's still a tiny bit chunky towards the end so you can taste the vegetables in it, but make sure that you've blended those ginger and garlic and things as well. So this is Ashley Pettit Living, and enjoy your Adzuki bean dip.